Ah, the end. Unfortunately or fortunately, it never really is.
To convince the director and producer that I am not ready for this film right now, I stopped the meeting, and this is a fact. Huh? I stopped the meeting. Photo लिया, वो photo है अब तक. I'll show you the photo. See the date, see the time. I just went inside and took this picture. Look at it. They saw the picture and they looked at me and said,
This happened to me in 2012 before Krish, and I just couldn't believe this is happening all over again. Having to start from zero all over again. Same situation, the slip disc and the pain and out of shape. I couldn't believe I let myself get back here again. To get me back somehow, I needed something to cause that shift. And I think Tiger came in as a blessing.
Struggling to dig myself out of this hole. बात वो है, मैं होल में हूँ और मेरे को निकलना क्या है यहाँ से. तो मैं तो ऐसा बोलते हैं ना, मारते हैं ना ऐसा. Doing that, कुछ भी and just fucking need to get out of this shit.
I mean, my body was so out of shape that I wanted it to move a certain way and it just wouldn't move. My injuries just made it all the more difficult for me to get back, because every time I tried to do something that I used to do, it just flared up, and there were so many of them that I couldn't really handle it. It was really, really difficult.
Maybe it's too heavy for now. I'm gonna do something else.
I was Humpty Dumpty, and I had to be put back together again somehow.
उस दिन क्या होगा when I feel no pain? उस दिन I think I will take off. I think.
वही बोल रहा हूँ.
I'll take off to space. I think. I just. If this film is a failure, if I don't reach where I am, at least I live these days doing what I love. That's it.
That's important. True.
6 months of transformation मैंने enjoy किया ना. नहीं बना body, नहीं बना. ठीक है. 6 महीना मैंने enjoy किया मैंने. कि जिस दिन मेरा ये घुटना और वो ankle ठीक हो गया, तो मैं रुकूंगा.
I ain't tryna break you down, but for real, you might as well give up now. Think you got a chance, but I don't see how. Got a real tight grip when I hold that crown. My life.
To give people what they've seen is redundant. It won't work. You have to always give something new, something more, little more, even a little more. who are living in constant state of comparison, which is what I try and teach my kids, that you should be proud of the fact that you're giving your best. That's all you ever need to do. Are you giving your best? मैं उनको पूछता I don't ask them whether you came first, second or third or last. I don't care. I genuinely don't care. But I want to ask him, did you put in every single ounce of your blood, sweat, everything? Did you put everything in it? Did you try your best? And if the answer is yes, fine.
प्यार की कश्ती में लहरों की मस्ती में पवन के शोर शोर में चले हम शोर शोर में.
God, I'm so tired today, man. 2 nights and then suddenly a day. So you haven't slept. I haven't slept enough at all. Shooting my introduction after a sleepless night. So what I'm doing is I'm putting spots and wrinkles because I'm a little crazy. I want this character to have a little age, not old, but like he's lived enough experiences. Everybody was in a little bit of a shock that I want to keep my natural whites for this. In fact, I enhanced them because I think it's really cool to show them off for this character.
एड्रेस जो होता है ना उसका, वो एड्रेस एक बार आपको मिल
मिल
गया,
गया, हाँ.
then you can go there whenever you want.
Whenever you want.
Actually, I'm trying to say that.
हाँ.
Once you make your abs, you know the address.
Yeah.
कि वहाँ
कैसे पूछना?
कैसे पहुँचना. हाँ, उतना important है.
साइंटिफिक उसको यही बोलते कि मसल मेमोरी.
Yeah. Looking terribly sleepy, no? Eyes. Horrible.
सर वो लोग रेडी हैं.
चलो. Give me 5, 10, 15 minutes. So I think one of my most interesting characters that I've ever done. It's something that we discovered while we were on set, and slowly I think we found the right tone. And now it's become really special. I really enjoyed.
And action.